All right, what's going on, everybody? Today is August 21st. You're here with FX Pro now, Philip Anglade. So right now, what we're going to be talking about is AU. Based upon the day chart, let's see the day chart. It's not really going to give us exactly what we're looking for. Let's look at the H4 chart. And the analysis that we had on the this week in the markets is the fact that price was going to start pushing down, and I thought price was going to start pushing down around this area because it passed 38.2, and at the same time, like I thought it had enough, and then based upon this zone right here, I thought it had enough. I was kind of concerned based upon the fact that it didn't get all the way up to 50%. So I knew it had a little space, so that's why I had my my stop loss a little higher. It passed through that area, and from there, I thought that price was going to stop at this trend line, and it didn't. So I guess it wanted just to get to this 61.8, and hopefully this is the end of it. The reason why I think it may be the end is because I see this bearish candle right here. Mind you, this is the H4, and the fact that this H4 created a bearish candle that ate this doji. It doesn't really matter about that one, but this one right here, I think is a very powerful one that it engulfed. So there's still about 3 hours based upon this 4-hour candle. So let's see how this one closes. But definitely let's see how the next one closes. I think the next one is going to be a major close, and I guess we'll see how that one moves. But my analysis is the fact that it'll continue to move on to the downside. Reason why is because it was in this consolidation area for a while, but before that, it was a hard downtrend, and before that as well was a downtrend as well. So price did this right here, right? Price did this over here, which is kind of like how price, not kind of, but it's, like price consolidated over here as well. And then push down, the same thing that it did here. Price push down, consolidate, push down, consolidated, push down, and hopefully it continues its push down right here. And I guess we'll see how that moves. Let me see how this one formed over here. Point A, point B. Yeah, right around the 61.8 area. So I'm guessing that this one is going to expect the same exact situation that this one did here. So my take profit will probably just be to 100%. As far as like getting back to this area right here, and I guess we'll see how that moves. TP2 would probably be at my negative 27%. I don't know if it's going to get to that area. It's kind of confluence with this area over here as well. But I guess we'll see how that moves. So let's go to the lower time frames. Let's go to the 2 hours, see how this is moving, and like the 4-hour engulfed, the 2-hour engulfed as well, right at that 61.8, and also it's at this supply and demand zone that was drawn out all the way from back here and all the way through. And price was respecting that supply and demand zone as well. Price got back in here, and I expect it to drop. You see that price, as far as the MACD, we're seeing that volume is pushing down a little bit, but this is going to take some time to really know. The main area that I needed to break is, definitely this area over here, but if price starts push down, I think this is a key area to see if price is going to continue to that downside. Let's see, based upon this, yeah, based upon this. So if anything, TP number 1 would probably just be in this area right here, catch a small amount of pips. I'm already in the sell. I got into the sell pretty early. So yeah, about like 58 pips based upon TP number 1. 58 pips is not that bad. So I do see it to continue on this downside. Hopefully it can break through this area and it continues on to 100% over here. All right, I know it's kind of hard to see what I just drew, but this fib is based on up here to down here based on the 4-hour chart, 61.8. I think it's going to continue down. And then I drew a second fibs from point A here, though, to up here to the top. As you can see, 38.2 and this supply and demand zone, both are in this area. So I see price heading into this area. If anything, it'll probably take a couple hours, probably all the way up until tomorrow to complete that based on you know, how slow this moves. But I guess we'll see. And yeah. So really appreciate your time. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be able to get, you know, future videos I'm going to do in the future. Also, go ahead and like this video so that you know you watched it. That's usually what I do. I like the video so I can remember that I watched this, so I don't, you know, like, watch my mistake again. And then also comment. Let me know if you gained anything from this. Let me know if you have, you know, like, if you disagree, let me know. You know, also, if anything, you know, share this video with people that you think would be able to gain value from this. And also, every subscriber has the opportunity on the 1st of the month where I'm going to pick a random subscriber, and I'm going to give away a free one-on-one to 5, you know, lucky people. Don't know if it's going to be for a day or for a week as of yet, but if anything, we'll find out. And you know, I know for sure you're getting a lot of value, and we can be able to do this type of stuff one-on-one with you guys and make sure that your charts are all set up. All right, guys. So I greatly appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Good.